I wanted to record, but it was just too hectic. This lake is totally crazy right now. Lots of people, and the water is like insane. All sorts of waves from every direction, big stuff. We got air a couple times. Bailey was mad at me, you know, mainly because of baby, but hard to keep under control when you've got 2-foot swells coming at you this way and 3 foot from that way, and it's pretty wild out here today. But we're here, we're just posted up here in a little cove outside of the last card stop, and chilling, eating. Got in the water because we're all super hot. Idling in every cove or every marina is warms you up quite a bit. Baby's doing something over there. But yeah, going to an idle. I mean, you can see us rocking right now. I mean, look at that. This is ridiculous for a little cove. But yeah, idling into every cove after cove is you get pretty warm, and especially since you can't even go 40 on the water, at least not with the baby and a wife and all that. It is difficult to stay at 30 just because of how rough it was in the waves. I mean, she was smacking hard, but we're here, we made it, and we're gonna enjoy the rest of the afternoon. They're out there living their best life with the baby and the little floaty with her umbrella, and mom on her floaty, and Nicholas is over there attempting to paddleboard on a boogie board. He says that it's not made for me. I said, yes it is, go ahead and give it a try. So he's been at it for about an hour now, so you know, he's working on his balance. But yep, we made it, chilling out here, just having a good time. And definitely shout out to Pirates of Lanier charity poker run. We appreciate the hospitality. President was I was in contact with him last night. I called him on the way because I knew I wasn't going to make the 9 o'clock deadline for registration, so I gave him a call and he picked up right away. I was not expecting that. I figured he'd, you know, I'd have to just kind of be on my own, and I was really impressed that he picked up the phone and helped me out and answered all the questions that we had. And then he met us here this morning at 10 to give us our stuff as soon as the Margaritaville opened up. Worked out great. So shout out to them, and I really appreciate the hospitality and everything, being our first year out here on this. So appreciate you guys and everything that we do. But other than that, looking forward to the festivities tonight. We're going to do some more lake life chilling, and got a little bit of aerial footage that we just shot here. Gonna try and do a little bit of circling around the boat as we take off.